far?
My achievement.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I don't have achievement at first semester and second semester.
There must be something. You have good grades.
Yes.
It's an achievement.
I think achievement like maybe join competition
Yeah,
or
yeah.
anything.
Organization?
No, I don't join. I'm not join organization, you know. I join volunteer.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I'm
That's
joining
great.
volunteer.
Yeah, you are super active.
No.
I mean, volunteering is a good activity.
Yes. I'm joining volunteer at first semester, you know, at holiday semester. I'm visit at senior high school and explain about life after graduate.
For me, my best achievement is no, my best achievement is that I can meet a friend like you.
Oh my god.
And I'm really happy and grateful for that.
Me too. Me also love about that. And I bersyukur apa? Grateful. In UNES, I meet with best people.
Yeah, we meet lots of great people there, and we learn from each other, teach each other. Yeah,
Study together.
yeah. Like now, we are
Yes.
studying right now.
Study about life, about subject, about anything. Study, a lot of study.
We can learn everything. And I learned a lot from you. I learned that I should be active, like volunteering. I always want to volunteer.
Do you join volunteer at holiday first semester?
Like going to high school? Yes, I did. But besides that, no. I'm happy because I could spend my holiday writing some short story, and I'm optimistic to go for competition, writing competition. So that's for my story.
Okay.
Next, what's your go-to food or drink around campus? Like we always go to
Canteen. Go to best camp.
Yes.
Best camp UNES.
Yeah, we always eat or drink to spend time.
What's your favorite food?
Of course it's mie ayam. And for the drink,
Lemon tea.
Orange juice.
My favorite food is, you know, ayam geprek and iced tea, of course.
And the is nice.
Spicy.
Enak. Yummy.
It's delicious. This is delicious food.
But you should eat more vegetables.
I don't like vegetables.
You should try.
No.
It's good for your health.
Yes, of course, but I don't like.
But you said you want to be nutrition student. How can you be nutrition student if you
That's
don't like
why maybe Allah explain I English education, but Allah knows that I don't like vegetables, so I tidak masuk tuh apa?
They didn't go to.
Yeah, didn't go to Poltekkes and didn't choose nutrition for my major.
Bentar. Gua gak bisa sini gitu. Ini final question kan?
Oh, berapa? At the end tuh.
9 deh.
Yeah. Number 9. If your university life were a movie, what genre would it be?
Horror.
Why?
Because on Monday we have grammar and sentence writing, like for 6 credits, so it's hard. And on Tuesday and Wednesday, yeah, I have to wake up early, and that sucks because if I'm late, our lecturer will be mad, and I don't like getting up early.
And about Friday?
Friday is fine, but I only have one class, so
Reading
yeah.
with my lectures. I doesn't like.
Yeah, we're on the same class, but it's on afternoon, and afternoon super hot in Unas, and it's a challenge for me too. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like schedule on the second semester. It's over soon. It's almost over.
Yes. It would probably be a comedy.
And romance.
Yes. Comedy and romance.
You admit it now. You have romance life.
No.
Romantic life. Yes, you do. You have someone
You
special.
too.
Someone special. Yes, my parents at home.
My parents also in my home.
Yeah.
But comedy because it is sometimes challenging, sometimes funny. Yes.
Comedy because you are with me.
Yes. Do you know about Asbun, guys? Tia is Asbun.
Asbunus.
Asbunus people.
I will take it as a compliment. Thank you.
And then last questions.
At the end of the day, what truly matters in university life? Rusni.
I think what really matters is personal growth, knowledge, and friendship, and the experiences we gain along.
I feel the same because I think the most important things on college is connections. I expect to make lots of friends, meet lots of people, and learn from them. So connections and also personal growth, because I'm learning lots of things outside of class, and I hope that it can shape me into a better person. And I hope that with university, when I earn my degree, I can have a better job and better life. That's what matters most to me.
So that's all.
Yeah, I think
The conclusion
is
trust the process, guys. Trust the process.
trust the process, trust Allah, and enjoy wherever you are.
Enjoy your life
Yes.
before going to campus.
So that's all.
Yes.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye.